Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we were working with the verb détester and using the verb détester with an infinitive to express the idea that you hate to do something or that you hate doing something. We looked at the singular forms of détester in the present tense, and in this lesson we are going to look at the plural forms, which are we hate, nous détestons, you hate, vous détestez, they hate, il déteste, or elle déteste. And now the fun part. Let's put that together with some vocabulary that you already know. If you want to say in French, we hate to work or we hate working, it would be nous détestons travailler. We hate to clean or we hate cleaning, nous détestons nettoyer. We hate to wait or we hate waiting, nous détestons attendre. You hate to work or you hate working, vous détestez travailler. You hate to clean or you hate cleaning, vous détestez nettoyer. You hate to wait or you hate waiting, vous détestez attendre. They hate to work or they hate working, ils détestent travailler. They hate to clean or they hate cleaning, ils détestent nettoyer. They hate to wait or they hate waiting, ils détestent attendre. They hate to work or they hate working, elles détestent travailler. They hate to clean or they hate cleaning, elles détestent nettoyer. They hate to wait or they hate waiting, elles détestent attendre. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.